Goulash is a traditional Hungarian stew that is perfect for cold weather. It's made with tender beef, vegetables, and a delicious blend of spices. Here's an easy recipe for you to try. Ingredients: 2 pounds beef chuck roast, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 large onion, chop 2 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 1 large green bell pepper, chop 2 medium carrots, slice 2 medium potatoes, peeled and cubed salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat the vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the beef and cook until it's browned on all sides. Remove the beef from the pot and set aside. Add the onion to the pot and cook until it's translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic, paprika, and caraway seeds and cook for another minute. Add the beef broth, diced tomatoes, and browned beef to the pot. Stir well and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 1 hour. Add the green pepper, carrots, and potatoes to the pot. Stir well and continue to simmer for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the beef is cooked through. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot with crusty bread or over egg noodles. Enjoy your delicious homemade goulash.